Hey everyone, it's your girl TrueeBeautyy7 and I'm coming at y'all with a new video. It's kind of this alien, volcanic, princess look. So yeah, let's just get on started. Okay, so to start off, I took a small angled brush and a red toned purple shade. To blend out my crease, I took a big fluffy brush and an orange eyeshadow and just blended it out. Now I'm taking a brown toned purple eyeshadow and using that to further define my crease. Now on a smaller but still fluffy blending brush, I'm taking a red eyeshadow and using that to blend out the crease. Now I'm going back in with that first fluffy brush that I used and just bringing back in that orange eyeshadow. I realized I had lost some of that red shade, so I just went back in with the red as well. Now taking that small angled brush again, I'm just taking some black eyeshadow, again to further define, and then I'm going to blend it out. To blend out that black, I mixed together a red and hot pink eyeshadow, and yeah. Now I went back in with the red. Now I'm bringing back in that orange with the first big fluffy brush that I used. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and I usually just use the applicator on the concealer that comes with the concealer, so that's what you guys see me doing here right now. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics glitter glue just to make my eyelid tacky for the glitter that's about to go on top. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics glitter in the shade Copper. Now I'm using some black liquid liner to just line my eyes. Now I'm just putting on foundation. I did prime prior to filming, so that's why you don't see me put any primer on, but you guys have seen me put my foundation on many times, so I don't really need to get into detail about this part. going in with some concealer to cover up my under eye bags and my dark circles. Now taking a big fluffy face brush, I dipped it into the red eyeshadow that I had used on my eyes and kind of used it to bronze / contour my face. I also used a angled contour brush just to deepen my cheekbones a little bit more. And I mixed together a red and purple eyeshadow. Now I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Vivid Brights liner in the shade Vivid Halo just to create some brows, but instead of creating an actual brow shape, I created dots and made them my brows. I wanted to clean up my contour a little bit, so I just took some powder and put it under my contour just to sharpen it up. And I also went back in with some red eyeshadow on a blending brush and kind of blended it across my nose and a little bit under my eyes, just because I felt like I wanted something a little extra. I also picked up a little bit of that glitter that I used on my eyes and put it on top of the red. Now it's time for highlighting, which is my favorite part of any makeup look that I do. And I just highlighted my nose, the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, chin, etc., all the places that you would highlight. Now for lips, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Suede in the shade Vintage. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like voiceovers more than my traditional videos, just let me know in the comments and I'll do more. Bye!